Hi guys, welcome back to our channel Gaming Basics. In today's video, I will be teaching you guys how to mute the enemy emotes on your League of Legends. So at first, all you have to do is just open your game through the right client, and as you open your game, you are on this home screen. So just stay at this home screen and look at the right top for the setting option and just click it to open the setting page. And as you open the setting page, just look at your left and select this interface and scroll all the way down where you can see this option emotes, and also you can see the option right here mute enemy emotes. So all you have to do is just click on this box and click on the option done. So let me show you again. Just open your game, then go in the option settings and select this interface and scroll down where you can see this option right here mute enemy emotes. Just select this and click on the option done. So guys, that's how you mute enemy emotes on your League of Legends. If you find our video helpful, please leave a like and please do not forget to subscribe our channel. Also hit the bell icon to get updates with our latest videos and drop a comment for reviews and more content like this. I will see you guys again in our next video. Thank you for watching.